Welcome to the launch of the Strategic Business Plan.
This plan is a reflection of our resolve to leverage the strengths of our nation in addressing our challenges. It is a pledge to continue our journey towards a judiciary that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of the people we serve.
This new business plan carries with it several treats for the stakeholders, with the core values of fairness, accountability, impartiality, integrity, independence, innovation, and respect. And that goes into the acronym FAIR. And commitment, communication, courtesy, accessibility, responsiveness, and empathy. And that goes into the acronym CARE. There is something in it for everyone. The business plan is also impressive as it involves a robust enterprise risk management system to ensure its sustainability and mitigate against numerous threats.
Nobody's business, nobody's business, nobody's business but me all.
The strategic plan, benchmarking the future, consolidating excellence, has at its foundation 5 years of consistent consultation. It is the backbone of our judiciary. Court proceedings lie at the heart of our mission to administer justice impartially and efficiently. A well-functioning judiciary requires robust processes and infrastructure to support its operations. Effective leadership and governance are essential for guiding the judiciary through periods of change and uncertainty. As such, emphasis is placed on the importance of visionary leadership, strong governance structures, and sound policy decisions to ensure the integrity and independence of our judiciary. Our core function is to serve the needs of the Jamaican people. As such, meaningful engagement is essential for building trust and promoting accountability.
We have no doubt that the idea is that you will improve the efficiency and the speed with which cases are being delivered. With this strategic plan, in completing cases speedily and in a timely manner, it will allow more revenue to come within the system.
Next year, we'll be establishing formal training programs for the leadership core of the courts, for the leadership judges, for registrars, for court administrators, supervisors, to develop the skill and competence in managing courts. What we wish to do here to improve the professionalism within by which the courts are operated. And so this strategic plan is designed to take us there.
Our new strategic plan addresses the fundamental changes facing our judiciary head-on, with a focus on increasing stakeholder satisfaction, enhancing trust in the judiciary, improving data management, streamlining internal processes, and upgrading court infrastructure, among other key objectives.
And having traveled around the Caribbean and even to the United States as well, I can safely say that there's no other jurisdiction within this region that has the quality of data that we have collected over the last 7.5 years.
A well-functioning judiciary was essential to economic development and social stability. And I'm happy to see that that has been recognized and that the work of the Judiciary of Jamaica is supporting the economic development and social stability in this country. So this momentous occasion today signifies commitment to improve and reflects dedication to the principles of justice and fairness that underpin the legal system of this country.